Welcome back. In this video, we'll show how to open an existing server in the central browser. Then we'll open a project and explore the user interface. One way to connect to your central modeling project is through the central browser. Your central projects are stored either on-premise or deployed in an Azure data center server of your choice. In the last video, we set up a central beta server connection. I've already launched the central browser, so I'll start by opening the central beta connection by clicking on that server in my list. The central browser's project tab will open and you'll see thumbnails representing all of the active projects stored on the central server. You'll notice that the projects here are organized by location. Locations can be set up over in the central admin portal. If I roll my cursor over one of the thumbnails, I can see extra metadata about each project. In this case, I have locations, coordinates, and a short description of the project. This metadata can also be added through the central admin portal. As an example, I'll look at the WolfPass project by clicking once on the project thumbnail. Clicking on the project will take me over to the History tab. This tab shows all revisions of the project that are stored in Central with some additional revision details at right. Central projects are organized into revisions and branches. We'll talk more about branching in the project branches video, and you can get more in-depth info about this tab, the History tab, in the next video. In short, the revisions are displayed chronologically from most recent down to the oldest. The offshoots from a revision are branches where an alternative hypothesis is being investigated. All events that change a project are displayed in the Events tab. For example, publishing events from Leapfrog modeling products, the activities of other central users, and any changes that have been made to the project via the central admin portal. If a central project file is available, you can also open it from the events log by clicking on the event, then on the select button at right. The events in this tab can also be viewed and filtered in the central admin portal. The Scene View tab is where you can explore the model, make annotations, and add attachments. If you have used the Leapfrog viewer or modeling products in the past, this interface will look very familiar. The Scene tab consists of an object display list, a scene window, annotations and attachment tabs, and the timeline tabs. I'll talk more about all of these in the central browser Scene View video. As the last stop on this quick tour, let's look at the central browser menu. In here we can find Settings, About, Help, and Quit. If we select Settings, in the window that opens we can change general scene viewing preferences, including the overlays, color scheme, and lighting. We can change the cache usage, the connection timeouts, the object display, and how the help is accessed. When you're happy with your selections, click Close to exit. Thanks for watching. Join us for the next video where we have a closer look at the History tab.